How to get answers on Microsoft Forms. In today's video, I'll show you how to get answers on Microsoft Forms, whether you're a student trying to review your responses or a teacher admin checking responses from others. I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. Now, open your form, and what you need to do is simply right click on it and tap on Inspect. Make sure you're in the Element tab, which is at the top, as you can see. Right beside Elements, you can find an arrow. Simply tap on it. Now you can choose whichever option. Let's say this is correct. As you can see here, it is false. It is written false over here. Now let's choose another option that is incorrect. Do the process again and go to incorrect. Now as you can see here, it is true. So you can simply repeat this process for each and every step to get to know which answer is correct. And that's it. That's how you can simply get answers on Microsoft Forms.